Wendy Mapleton, the JFY President of Our Lady of the Rosary Parish. So our parish priest is Father Reggie Pia, together with Father Ming Cornell, Father Edmund Jorge, with Brother Edward Sibonga. And of course, here with us is our parish youth director, also the spiritual director of Morelos and Marites, Father Dennis Bex OSJ. So, I prepared a short and simple AVP of our activities from the Morelos Altar Knights and Marites, the Joseph Marelo Marshals, and the JFY as a whole. So, I hope you enjoy it.